Yo, CT Auto Fanatic CT with another video. Just installed my brother's CTS turbo intake. He's excited. He got the B8.5. The Charger brothers. There he is. Thumbs up. Yeah, man, he's about to rev it up. Give us some rev time. Let's see this. Crying babies. Crying babies. Crying babies, man. Sounds like an orphanage. No, I love it. Looks good. That's it, man.
The comparison between the older one.
Yeah. Here's the new one. He has a B8.5, but this is a revised CTS. Much bigger filter. 3.5 inch, I believe, to a 3 inch. Kind of boggled my mind a little bit in the beginning. You could see right away. Listen, man, you know what they say. Bigger always isn't better. But we'll find out. This guy got more cushion for the pushing, man. I don't know what to say about this. We got the same seats. Got that Panda interior, the silver lunar. Can't even see it right now. I'm gonna open it up. Silver lunar. I got the manual, he got the DSG. He had to go through with the track setup like I have. Again, he's got the 102 millimeters because he got the B8.5. And I have the, close this up for you guys. I got the 90s. We do what we gotta do. New and old generation. We're gonna go on that first drive, check it out, feel it out, see what it's all about. It's got that DSG, flat bottom. First drive, the intake, he's excited. He's about to feel what I've been trying to tell him for a minute. There we go. Oh shit. It's great. Yep. Screaming. Nice. Yep. Blips. Oh.
Yeah, it feels good.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah, sounds good. Feels good. Looks good. Screams. It sounds good. Well, we'll keep it short and sweet. B8.5 CTS turbo intake. It's either this or the Rock Euro, man. Only way to go. Look at this. It's absolutely cream puff. It looks like it. Damn Oreo. Alright guys, signing off. Have a good day.